You are probably told that push-ups are for building muscle and looking good, but that leaves out the most important truth about push-ups and real life. If you don't understand this truth, you either injure yourself or avoid push-ups altogether, and that has consequences. You quietly lose strength over decades until you can't push yourself up in bed or get off the floor. Even doors start to feel oddly heavy. Your movement options shrink and your world gets smaller. This is why push-ups matter more than most people think. Push-ups are one of the most useful exercises you can do as an adult. They can build strength, coordination, resilience, and confidence. But they can also expose weak links, bad habits, and movement limitations that people ignore for years. That is why push-ups build some people while breaking others. Most people focus on getting a chiseled chest or more arm definition. They want to punish themselves into being sexy. But that's missing the point when you're a grown-ass adult with responsibilities in real life, or you're getting ready for retirement. And I want to be really clear here. Whether you're 19 or 90, it's okay to care about how you look. But on a deeper level, remember that push-ups give you the capacity to care for yourself and for others. And that gives you a confidence that is attractive no matter how you look and whether or not you match up to an external beauty standard. Being strong at push-ups means you can open heavy doors, you can push your own heavy grocery cart, you can get up off of the floor, and most importantly, you can catch yourself safely if you fall, assuming you fall forwards. It means you're independent, capable, and resilient for real life. And I promise, when you can do push-ups confidently, it will change the way you see yourself and the world. People fail at push-ups because they're chasing the wrong goals. Some people focus on going 100% full range from day one. Their heart is in the right place, but when they inevitably fail, they tell themselves that they're too old or that the problem is genetics. Others obsess about high intensity. They train push-ups like Navy SEALs when they should be training more like Napoleon Dynamite. They smash their noses into the floor because someone told them that more effort and intensity is automatically better. The result is a bad shoulder or cranky elbows. In the best case, they hit little baby half reps just to hit that magic number that they think sounds good. If you don't want to get injured or quit on day 2 out of frustration, here's your new plan. Start on an elevated surface. Use a countertop, a couch, stairs, whatever works. Move slowly and aim for 5 to 15 clean reps with full range. Do 2 to 4 sets. If you're a total beginner, stick to 2 and you can bump it up later. Pause at the bottom to build control and strength. If you want more challenge, slow the reps down even more or pause longer at the bottom. When you can do 3 sets of 15 at a given height without grunting and groaning or hating yourself the next day, then you're ready to lower your surface down a little. If you can't do at least 5 reps without massive struggle, then your surface is too low. Find something higher. Kitchen counters are a fantastic option. And if even a high surface feels too difficult, shorten the range of motion and reduce the number of reps to something more manageable. Then gradually build more depth and volume over time. You can use a wall, but personally, I think wall push-ups are just awkward because your face and the wall are both solid objects. If your hands and wrists don't like push-ups, too bad. Just kidding. You can use dumbbells or yoga blocks to reduce the angle required of your wrists, or you can use your fists and padding if you want the martial arts flavor. And remember, you should train wrist flexibility and strength too. When you get stronger, you can do your push-ups on the floor, offset to one side, or on top of objects to go deeper. You can also elevate your feet or your butt. And later, you can play with different spine and hip positions to make push-ups even more challenging. How often should you do these? Just because you've seen someone super jacked doing 200 push-ups every day doesn't mean you should. Here's a safer way to start. Do your push-ups workout twice a week. That's 2 to 4 sets of 5 to 15 reps on your workout days. Take at least 2 days off in between sessions and periodically test to see if you can do 3 sets of 15 so you can graduate to a lower level. Or if you prefer daily activity, do 1 set of 5 to 10 reps every single day for a couple weeks. If your shoulders or elbows feel a little cranky, take a day or 2 off. Every week or 2, see if you can lower your surface a little bit while still maintaining form, confidence, and comfort. Both of these options lower your risk of injury from doing too much too soon. Some people can handle more, some people less, so remember to ABC, always be calibrating for your body today. Not the body you had when you were 17 or the body you wish you had, but the body you have today. It's also a great idea to do a pulling motion to balance out the front and back sides of your body. You don't need much for that, and I will include a link in the description box and at the end of this video. But there's one more thing I need to say. When you can't do push-ups, you unconsciously know that your movement options are already limited. You hesitate more and you trust yourself less. Fear grows, weakness spreads, your world shrinks. But you can reverse that, and it starts with push-ups. Let me know how many slow, smart, pain-free push-ups you started with today. Drop me a comment and get free workouts to help rebuild your body at home at uprighthealth.com/BRB, and link will be down below. I'm cooking up something new to help you be more resilient for real life, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and watch this video to keep the front and the back of your body in better balance.